video, I would like to explain the life cycle of Strongyloides strcoralis, which is a roundworm, in how it infect the humans. So it is the falciform larva, which is the infective form of this worm, penetrate the skin. How it penetrates the skin? Now, if someone walking barefoot and this larva is present in the soil, and it is usually present in the soil due to infected stool which contaminate the soil, it enters our body from the soil through the skin and enters the bloodstream or the lymphatics. Through the bloodstream or the lymphatics, it reaches the lungs in alveoli. From the alveoli, it is sent into the tracheobronchial tree, and from the tracheobronchial tree, it is swallowed into the small intestine. Now, when this larva reaches the small intestine, it burrows there in the mucosa of the small intestine and matures. Now, when it matures, then it hatch eggs, and that eggs then form rhabditiform larva, which is actually non-infective, that larva. Now there are two ways with this rhabditiform larva. Either it can excrete through the stool, or it can reinfect the host again. How it would infect the host again? Now this rhabditiform larva convert into falciform larva again, and then it penetrate through the small intestine mucosa or through the perineal skin and re-enter the blood and reaches the alveoli, and that cycle repeat again. Now the patient would present with both the pulmonary symptoms and the gastrointestinal symptom as it infect these two areas. Now the patient can present with shortness of breath, wheezing and dyspnea, and it can also present with the diarrhea and constipation. So this is the life cycle of the Strongyloides strcoralis. So the stool microscopy would help us in diagnosing the Strongyloides strcoralis by detecting the rhabditiform larva in the stool. Definitely there will be antibody against the Strongyloides strcoralis in the blood, but that does not help that much diagnosis, because it can be both show both remote infection or active infection. The antibody would be positive if someone has this infection in the past. Thank you so much. Like and share and subscribe to my channel.